Good morning. Today is October 15, 2023 Sunday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas results today. Here are the STL Swear 3 10:30 a.m. results for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for October 15, 2023 Sunday. Here are the STL Swear 3 10:30 a.m. results for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, October 15, 2023. Here are the SLs 3 10:30 a.m. results for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 15, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Sunday, October 15, 2023. Don't forget subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.